If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in EA FC 25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the loading screen to hang. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Clear cache. For console users, turn off your console and plug it for a few minutes, then restart. For PC users, clear the cache by going to the game settings and selecting the option to clear cache or temporary files. Step 4. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your console or through the game launcher on PC. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can fix any corrupted files that might be causing the loading screen to freeze. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in EA FC 25. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.